Hey everyone, Sam Farkas with Green Hills Guitar Studio here, stopping by to personally invite you to an upcoming in-person group class we'll be hosting in Nashville, Tennessee this spring. This class will be all about the Nashville number system. So topics we'll cover include understanding chords in a key, how those chords work together or function within the song, common chord progressions, and of course, how to listen to a song, identify those chords, and write them down within a Nashville number system format. Now, don't worry, you don't need any prior understanding of music theory. You don't need to know how to read or write notes. That is not a prerequisite to this class. We'll be leaning into developing our ears and understanding how chords work within a tune. This is a skill that is absolutely critical if you're a gigging musician, producer, arranger, session player. It doesn't matter. This is a skill that's of the utmost importance and is something that can be learned and something that can be developed and refined. Now, historically, these classes have sold out pretty quickly, but don't worry, we'll be sending out emails with all the details about exact dates, duration, cost, all that stuff. So keep your eyes peeled. All the information will be coming soon. But I'm just personally excited about hosting this class. It's something I love doing and I love sharing with other people. And I hope to see you this spring in Nashville, Tennessee for the Nashville Number System Workshop. All right, see you later.